Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Colton. I am a second year nursing student currently in a BSCN program, and in today's video I'm going to be preparing for school which starts next week. Today is Friday and I start on Tuesday, so I'm just going to be heading to the store, picking up a few school supplies, a couple other cute little things, and going to be doing a little bit of organization and even a little bit of studying. I don't like long intros, so let's get this video started. And we are off. It is looking a little gray today, so hopefully we don't get rained on. The first place we're heading to is Staples. I'd like to pick up a couple things from here. We're going to look at the binders first and foremost. Just a couple half-inch ones, nothing too crazy. But oh my god, when did they become so expensive? I'm just going to pick some up at Walmart instead. Just moving over to the notebooks. I need a hardcover one. Yes, this one I'm looking at is $13.99. Don't come at me. I just love a good notebook that doesn't get damaged in your bag. I decided to come over and look at the bags because I'd like to get one separate for my clinical, and I spotted this magnificent blue one. It looks so spacious. It could totally fit my shoes, my lunch bag, and any other clinical supplies that I would need. But then I spotted the one next to it, this Bugatti vegan leather. Oh, it just looks so much more fashionable. I, of course, had to test it out, see how I looked walking around with it, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I didn't end up buying it, but I do have it in mind in case I want to go back. While I was walking through the store, I found this Monitorizer, and this is what I'm currently using. I'm using a textbook, so I definitely had to get it. While I was loading my stuff into my car, this man approached me, asked me if I was in the military, and proceeded to give me this automotive card. Honestly, I might check him out. Next stop on the list is the fabulous Walmart, and oh my lord, it is so disgustingly busy. Hello, COVID. While I was perusing, I found some very affordable binders, yes please. And then I went over to the notebook section, looking for some small notebooks that I can fit inside my scrub pockets, and just like these ones, so I decided to grab 3. One thing that I cannot live without is hand cream, and I needed some fragrance-free ones, so I grabbed 2 of these little guys. This is me looking around forever for an umbrella, which I then decided to ask somebody, and turns out it was on the other end of the store. But I found them. I was feeling very hungry for something scrumptious, so I decided to check out this Feta Olives place, which I have never been to in the 9 years that I've lived here. But oh my gosh, does that not look delicious? I decided to get one for me and my boo, and they were friggin' phenomenal. Yeah boy finally doesn't have to use a textbook to lift up his monitor anymore. Onto the organizational part of the video. I was very naughty for my first clinical and did not hole punch these papers because I did not have one, and yeah, it's really messy. I'm just gonna hole punch them and transfer it to this blue binder. Now that everything is nice and organized, I can finally review this information before I start next week. I was searching forever for a new pencil case, which I could not find, but I do really love this canvas one that I got for Christmas one year. It has all of my art supplies in it, so I'm just going to transfer all of my school supplies into this one. Yes sir, so you be looking neat and tidy. Now it is time to put everything inside the bag. I always travel with this naloxone kit just in case I run into anyone who has overdosed. Next into the main pocket is my review binder, and then my handy dandy lunchbox. The handy dandy umbrella that took me forever to find. My delicious canvas pencil case. And my original notebook that still has some pages left, so I'm going to put that in my bag first. Next up is one of my most used items, which is my iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. Next is my school badge with the Nurse IQ badge reel. And of course I have a bunch of the Nurse IQ reference cards. I don't have all of them just yet, but I will be bringing them just in case I need to reference them. Got to have some hand sanitizer, and of course I put in both bottles of my fragrance-free hand cream. Oh my gosh, how could I almost forget to put in my water bottle? And we are ready for school on Tuesday. Yes, I have a roller bag. This is one of the few things that I wanted to carry over from my flight attendant career. Now I'm just looking over some checklists for simple dressing and for urinary catheterization. The information itself isn't hard, but it's just difficult to remember the step-by-step process. And of course, you know your boy has to review the head to toe assessment. I have not looked at this stuff since I finished school in April. So wish me luck with that. And that concludes this video, but before you go, just make sure to check out the description below. I do have a Twitch channel which I will be live streaming study with me sessions, which y'all can join and study with me. But if you did enjoy my content, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video or in my live stream on Twitch. Have a great day, guys. Bye!